This video walks you through how to receive USD on Wise. Start by logging into your Wise account with your usual sign-in details. Once you are in, go to the Home tab. This is where you can access your balances and add a new currency if you have not opened it yet. On the Home tab, click Open or Add Currency. A list of available currencies will appear. From that list, choose USD. If you already have a USD balance, selecting it will take you there. If you do not, this will open your USD balance so you can receive money in US dollars inside Wise. After the USD balance opens, look for the account details option and click it. This section contains the bank information connected to your USD balance. In some cases, Wise may ask you to complete verification before showing those details. If that happens, follow the verification steps on screen first, then return to the USD balance and open account details again. When your USD account details are visible, copy the information you need. This may include your account number and routing number, along with any other receiving details Wise displays for your USD balance. Make sure you copy the details from the USD balance itself, since balances in other currencies will show different information. Next, share those USD account details with the person or company that will be sending you money. Send only the receiving details shown in Wise and do not include any private sign-in information from your account. The sender will use the account and routing information to make the transfer to your Wise USD balance. Once the details have been shared, wait for the USD transfer to arrive. Transfer timing can vary depending on the sender and the payment method used, so it may take some time before the funds appear in Wise. While you are waiting, there is nothing else you need to change in the app if the sender already has the correct details. After the transfer comes in, open your USD balance again to check the payment. You should be able to see the incoming amount reflected there once it has been received. If you have more than one balance in your Wise account, make sure you are viewing the USD balance so you are checking the correct currency. At that point, you have received USD into Wise using your account details from the USD balance. Your Wise USD balance is now set up to receive money, and the payment can be confirmed from the USD balance.